Pro 1000 installing case feeder. To properly install the case feeder, install the long end of the Z-bar into the Z-bar attach. The short end enters the forwardmost hole in the case slider. Drop the cylinder and plate assembly into the hole and set the top nut so that there is a coin's thickness between the case mouth and the bottom of the cylinder and plate assembly. Tighten with a 7/16 inch wrench. The cylinder and plate assembly should be positioned so that it just clears the turret ring. Refer to the instructions to ensure the proper cylinder and plate and slider block is used for the cartridge you are reloading.